Well, it took a while to find a solution, and I'm not sure. I did some temporary work here on some connections, trying to rectify a shortcoming, and put out a help call, and I got an answer from Robert, and my friend said to try a capacitor on that. So I put a capacitor in there, and that really helped. It smoothed it out. It kept everything going in a smooth way, as far as the fan and keeping the fan in puff mode, even at high speed or low speed. And I put a test light on it, and the light pulsed the whole time. It was pretty cool. So we've got the puff, we got the chuff. I had broken I was moving things around, and I didn't realize I was pulling on that wire, and I pulled a wire out. I had to put in a new reed switch, but I've got that in, and we're back to chuff now. So we got the puff and the chuff ironed out. What I don't have is how to stuff it in there. I added my spacer, so I've got the space, but now with this capacitor. Why are you so jumpy? I don't know. I must have something wrong down here. It's a real menagerie. Okay, it's really. Yeah, see, I don't know what. I got stuff going on. Now I got a bell. That's always exciting. I got the fan on. I put the lid on, and the fan really does help the systems cool down. You could feel the temperature dropping inside there. And I could feel underneath it's warm air coming out. So that's good. And I really want to look into this button for the bell and the horn. The whistle, but I just haven't had time. I've been dinking with these little things that keep popping up. Now I got to worry about. Now I got to fit this inside. I'm going to try to fit it inside the smoke box. There's room behind it. I don't know if I got enough room, but I'm going to try. I know I have to wire this up anyway for the fire, right? So if I'm putting wire in there for that, there's a big space there. Maybe I can stuff that in right behind that. So, and I want to put a light in so you can see the engineer and all that. So, cab light, firebox flashing lights, and then this board could go in behind it. I think it's small enough it could go in. As long as I can keep it away from the, yawning, keep it away from the motor connections. I'll have to see how much room that really does give me. Any case, we're on it. I'm working it. It's just taking forever. My days get shorter, it seems like. I have to help Margaret a little bit, and the next thing I know, it's 2 o'clock. That's the way it seems. And she's not, demanding. She just, certain things I have to help her. It's okay, fine, I understand. But boy, it's getting drug out. Oh boy. Anyway, I was going to try to get this on. It's almost 5 now. I don't know if I get it on the tracks or not. It's touch and go, boys. I got to get the speaker mounted inside. I got the plate made. I got the plate made to hold the wires up between the tenders. I put some holes in it thinking I needed to have some inlet air. So I'm going to create more holes in the tender right there so I can pull air in and then push it out the back. Make sure I got circulation in there is one thing. I don't want to put any holes on top. I think that's not right. Should be able to pull them through somewhere, somehow. But the connectors, the harness, all that is working perfectly. That did not have a problem day one. Fan, harness, chuff, all that trigger stuff, it's working fine. The motor's getting its power fine. Everybody's getting what it needs just fine. It's just that final 5 yards, 2 yards, get something in, fit it, and make sure it's reliable. So another day, and tomorrow, nothing. No, a week from tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment. I have one, and then Margaret has one. Nothing to say. Not yet. Okay. All right. Well, I just want to make sure you knew we got this, and we're moving forward slowly, but we are. And I think I'll be able to button the tender up today. I may or may not get it on the rails. If I get it on the rails, I'll post something, I promise. But I've got 45 minutes. The game's on, but I got it in background. And they're ahead 3-0. I don't care if it ends 3-0, as long as we win. The Washington team, a.k.a. Redskins, are playing the Chicago Bears. The Bears. Now, I'm from Illinois, and I'm a Bears fan, but not any. Well, I mean, I still like them, but if the Redskins can't play, then I'd like the Bears to win, I guess. So anyway, that's it. I only have two favorite teams, really, the Redskins and whoever's playing Dallas. And we'll go from there. Okay, it's going to be okay. It's going to be fine. It's going to be it's going to be a hell of an engine. I'm sure of it. As soon as I get it together. Okay. Take care, gang. Have a good day.